Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set screen lock pattern password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on lock screen. Now click on screen lock type and select pattern here. Select pattern and draw the pattern that you want to set. Here I would like to draw this pattern and click on next. Again draw the same pattern to verify and click on confirm and wait few seconds, and yes, it is done, and click on done now. And if you want to take a backup of your pattern, then you have to click on agree and it will be taken back as a backup. So here you have to give your email or phone number to backup. So I sign in with Google. Select the account and it will be processed. Yes, two-step verification is asking, but as of now I don't have this Galaxy A31 in my hand, so I am skipping this step now. If you want to get the backup, just do this two-step verification if it is asked, and just sign in with the Google account, and you can later recover your pattern. Then now I am checking whether set pattern is working or not. Yes, it's working. I put lock screen and I try to open with pattern that I set now. Yes, it's working very well. So in this way you can easily set screen lock pattern password on your phone Samsung Galaxy A13 A13. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.